Hey everyone, welcome back to Hurricane Web. In this video, we are going to learn how to add this particles background for HTML, CSS and JS websites. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to create three files, and those are index.html and then styles.css and lastly script.js. So first we will write code in our index.html. So here we'll link our styles.css and then we need to add this tsParticles bundle in our project. I will add the document link in the description so you guys can copy it from there. So we need to paste it here, and then in our body first we'll add our tsParticles ID, and then we will create a stu tag for create a title. So here we can type particles background for HTML, CSS and JS websites, and then we will go to our style.css and we will style our title. Here we need to type position relative z-index1, height 50 ph, and then display flex, align item center, justify content center, text align center, and color white. Lastly, font size will be 34 pixel. And in our script file, we need to add this tsParticles element. So we need to copy it from here and then paste it in our script file and then save it. We also need to add our script file in our index.html. So here we need to type script and then source script.js, save it. Let's run our project. So here we can see our particles background is working for our HTML, CSS and JS websites. Now if we want to customize our particles, we can do it in our script file. For example, if we want to change the colors, we can do it from here. And then save it. Let's see how it's look. So here we can see our particles color already changed, and then if we want to change our background color, we also can do it from here. Let's make it white and let's make our font to black, and then let's see how it's look. So here we can see our particles color also changed and also our background color also changed. And if we want to speed our particles, then we need to go to move, and here if we use 5 and save it, so it's look like crazy. And if we want to decrease our speed, we can make like 0.1, save it. So here we can see our particles are moving very slowly. So that's how we can change our particles shape, speed and color, etc. So that's all for today. I hope you guys like the video, and if you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you guys have any query, you guys can comment it in the comment box. Thank you everyone.